Hi everybody, I am back out in Superior to have another look at this particular formation. Definitely looks like a melted building, and I've just passed by it on the hike. I didn't really take time to come up to this and investigate, but I just discovered something really interesting. A few weeks ago, I posted a video about the cities of Sodom and Gomorrah that are just baked completely to ash. And the formations out there, you know, they look like buildings and castles, but they just chip apart, much like this. This is really interesting. Pretty crazy. So I am gonna go hike around this and see what I can find. Giant, massive, melted castle or fortress or something here in the background.